Toopy Toopy, Binoo Binoo. Toopy Toopy, Binoo Binoo Binoo. Toopy Toopy, Binoo Binoo. Toopy and Binoo. Toop 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 Toopy and Binoo.
Toopy, that's me! And here's my friend Binoo. We love to laugh, we love to play. That's us, Toopy and Binoo.
We need this, and this, and this. Oh, I love camping so much. Binoo, I've got everything now. Are you ready? Great! It's time to go then. We're going camping far, far away into the jungle, among jungle polar bears, jungle squirrels, jungle worms, jungle... Binoo, look! A jungle tent! Wow! It's like a dream! Come on, let's go in. Quick, quick, quick! After you, Binoo. Wait, I'll turn the light on. It's so big in here and cozy. I feel almost sleepy. It's a good thing to be sleepy when you're in a sleeping bag. Do you realize that we're about to sleep in the jungle, Binoo? Wow! A jungle full of jungle sounds and jungle bugs. This is so exciting. Oh, now let's make jungle dreams now. Are you ready, Binoo? No? Are you missing something? Oh, you're looking for Patchy Patch. No problem. I'll help you. I'm really good at finding Patchy Patches. Look at me! Patchy Patch! Where are you? It's me, Toopy! Are you playing hide and seek? Patchy Patch, Patchy Patch, Patchy Patch! He's not here. But don't worry. I'll find him and... Yes, Binoo? Huh? Patchy Patch! You scared me, Patchy Patch! You're so funny! Sweet jungle dreams, Binoo. And sweet jungle dreams to you too, Patchy Patch. My eyes are closed now. Oh, I can hardly wait to fall asleep. Binoo? Hey! You've got the hiccups! You won't be able to fall asleep with the hiccups. Binoo, I know what to do. I'll tell you a scary story and you'll be frightened. And then your hiccups will go away. Oh, that's a marvelous idea. Do you want to try? Perfect. Okay, I've got a story. Listen. Once upon a time, in a jungle far, 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 far away, two wonderful and completely amazing hiccup hunters were walking along looking here and there for something. Hiccups, hiccups, where are you? Hiccups, hiccups, we'll find you. We can see you with our ears. We can make you disappear. Beware! We're right behind you. Watch out! We're gonna get you. Hiccups, hiccups, where are you? The great hiccup hunters! That's us. We'll find you. Are there any hiccups down there, Hiccup Hunter Binoo? Did you hear that? Me too. I think it's coming from that way. Let's go. Slowly, slowly. The hiccups are coming from behind the door. Of course, the amazing Hiccup Hunter Toopy knew exactly what to do. He raised his hand really slowly, grabbed the strange thing, and suddenly... Were you scared, Binoo?
Hiccup!
Oh, you still have the hiccups.
Hiccup!
Well, no problem. My story isn't finished yet.
Hiccup!
Where was I again? Oh, yes. The fabulous Hiccup Hunter Toopy knocked at the big door and listened. I can still hear the hiccups. It sounds like they're getting closer and closer and closer. Oh, boy! I can really hear the hiccups now. Yes, Hiccup Hunter Binoo?
May I help you?
Hey! Hi, Mr. Monster! I'm Hiccup Hunter Toopy, and this is Hiccup Hunter Binoo. To cure hiccups, we're the best, best, best!
Oh, that's incredible! I can't believe it! I just happened to have the hiccups myself. Come on in.
Thank you, Mr. Monster. You'll see, we're wonderful! Wow! It's so beautiful in here! Look at all those necklaces!
Yes, I made them all by myself. I love necklaces so much.
Me too!
You see, I wanted to make the prettiest necklace ever. So I reached for my favorite beads. Oh, I love my beads so much. But then I hit this old lamp and it fell to the ground and made a funny sound. Just listen. Ow! Oh, that's hilarious! I laughed so hard that I got the hiccups.
That is funny.
And since then, I can no longer make beaded necklaces. Each time I try to string a bead, my hiccups stop me. Just look. Oh, you see what I mean?
Yes, totally! There's no problem, Mr. Monster. We'll help you. Right, Hiccup Hunter Binoo? All you need is a small scare. Do you want to try?
Oh, yes, please.
All right! Stay still and close your eyes, Mr. Monster. The monster closed his eyes, and the amazing Hiccup Hunter Toopy silently climbed on a big treasure chest. Then Hiccup Hunter Toopy took a deep breath and... Boo! Oh, were you scared, Binoo? Do you still have the hiccups? Oh, it worked!
Hiccup!
Huh? You still have the hiccups, Binoo, but it's all right. My story isn't finished yet.
Hiccup!
Where was I again? Oh, yes. The incredible Hiccup Hunter Toopy took a deep breath and cried, "Boo!" The monster was surprised, of course, but he still had the hiccups.
Oops. Sorry.
Don't worry, I've got plenty of ideas. Some are good, and some are simply extraordinary. So, I have to choose the best one. But again, don't worry, Mr. Monster, because Hiccup Hunters are really good at choosing among wonderful ideas. Hey! What are you doing there, Hiccup Hunter Binoo?
Oh, that's incredible.
Wait, we'll help you, Mr. Monster.
You scared me so much, Mr. Hiccup Hunter Binoo.
Oh, yes, me too. Hey, Mr. Monster, your hiccups, they're gone.
Yes! Oh, you're right! I'm cured! Oh, thank you, Mr. Hiccup Hunter Binoo! Oh, thank you so much!
Oh, you're so amazing, Hiccup Hunter Binoo. That was a wonderful idea. No hiccups are too strong for the amazing Hiccup Hunters! hunters! Hiccups, Hiccups, where are you? Hiccups, Hiccups, we'll find you. We can see you with our ears. We can make you disappear. Beware! You're right behind you. Watch out! We're gonna get you. Hiccups, Hiccups, where are you? The great Hiccup Hunters! That's us. We'll find you.
Mr. Monster was so funny.
Did you hear that, Hiccup Hunter Binoo? It's coming from the lamp. Mr. Genie needs us. Let's go, Hiccup Hunter Binoo. Woo! I love to slide. Now, where's Mr. Genie?
Oh, missed again.
Mr. Genie, I'm Hiccup Hunter Toopy, and this is Hiccup Hunter Binoo. To cure hiccups, we're the best.
Really? Oh, that's marvelous! I just happen to have the hiccups. And because of them, I can't put colors in my beautiful coloring book. Look! Each time I try to color, my crayon jumps over the line. See? It doesn't work. I have to start again.
Mr. Genie, everything is gonna be all right now because we're the best hiccup hunters ever! Right, Hiccup Hunter Binoo? All you need is a small scare. Do you want to try?
Oh, yes, please! Scare me! Scare me!
All right! Now look at me, Hiccup Hunter Binoo. Again, Toopy, the amazing hiccup hunter, had the most brilliant idea. Oh, I surprised you, huh? Are you cured? Oh, you still have the hiccups! Well then, let's continue the story. Where was I? Oh, yes. Hiccup Hunter Toopy took a whistle from his bag and blew it with all his might. Mr. Genie was really surprised by Hiccup Hunter Toopy's fabulous whistle blowing, and he felt better at once. So, he went back to his coloring book and chose the prettiest drawing ever to put color on. He began to color it, but a hiccup made his crayon jump over the line again. Oh, Mr. Genie wasn't cured yet. Of course, Hiccup Hunter Toopy was about to have another incredible and fantastic idea when... Hey!